Amidst rising COVID-19 cases in the state, West Police Station in Dimapur has been barricaded after at least 4 police personnel tested positive for COVID-19 today. The initial test was conducted through TrueNet and samples sent to BSL lab for reconfirmation. Confirming this, Commissioner of Police Dimapur R. Tetsio informed that the West Police Station has been barricaded as a precautionary measure. Public will not be entertained unless for emergency purposes, he said. He also informed that the entire station would be disinfected and all police personnel under the police station will be tested. In another report, Dimapur District Medical Authorities have activated contact tracing after 2 parcel staff of Dimapur Railway Station tested positive for COVID-19. The initial testing through TrueNet tested positive. However, the samples for reconfirmatory tests were sent to BSL lab, official sources said, adding the railway staff have been shifted to COVID Care Center Circuit House in Dimapur. When contacted, railway officials said that they were yet to receive directives from the authorities concerned whether or not to seal the railway station. Meanwhile, a 32-year-old woman was found dead in her room at a paid quarantine facility in Dimapur today. The case was unlikely to be COVID-related as she arrived from Guwahati by train on Tuesday night. She was unwell and vomiting upon arrival at the paid quarantine center. Further details are awaited. The Meghalaya government has decided to invest Rs 75 crore to upgrade health infrastructure in 186 community health centers and primary health centers in the state. The decision was taken during a meeting chaired by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma in the presence of Health Minister A.L. Heck and officials of the Health Department and Planning Department. The government of Meghalaya has decided to invest Rs 75 crore in 186 PHCs and CHCs in Meghalaya to upgrade our health infrastructure. Meeting was held with Health Minister and officials from the Health and Planning Departments to finalize the details, the Chief Minister tweeted. During the session of the State Assembly on May 22nd, the Chief Minister said that strengthening health infrastructure has been a priority of the state government besides taking steps to overcome challenges because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Manipur government has imposed complete lockdown of Tobal district till July 27th. Several regions under Tobal district has been declared as containment zones. The State Chief Secretary, who is also the chairperson of the State Executive Committee of the Manipur State Disaster Management Authority, issued an order in this regard. In the new government order, only the personnel of essential services permitted by the Deputy Commissioner Tobal will be allowed besides the inter-district movement through the district has been restricted. The Tobal Deputy Commissioner has issued a notification in connection with the imposition of the prohibitory orders under Section 144 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 in the district. A 32-year-old COVID-19 positive pregnant woman delivered a baby boy at a medical college in Arunachal Pradesh, officials said. A team of doctors comprising gynecologists and surgeons at the Tomo Riba Institute of Health and Medical Sciences conducted a caesarean section on the pregnant woman who was earlier infected with coronavirus. Deputy Chief Medical Superintendent Tau Kaki said both the mother and the newborn are healthy and fine. They are now together. As the mother is a COVID-19 patient, we would take a decision soon whether or not the newborn would remain with the mother, Kaki told the media. The 2020 edition of the Indian Premier League will be played in the United Arab Emirates. This has been confirmed by IPL Governing Council Chairman Brijesh Patel. Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Sharjah will be the 3 main venues, Patel said. When asked about whether the tournament would be played behind closed doors due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Patel said that depends on the UAE government. A media report quoted Patel as saying that a formal announcement regarding the Premier League would be made during the next meeting of the IPL Governing Council. With increasing number of COVID-19 positive cases all across the nation, the COVID-19 status of the northeastern states are: Arunachal's tally stands at 858 positive, 552 active, 303 recovered and 3 deaths. Assam's tally has gone up to 25,382 positive, 7,291 active, 18,033 recovered and 58 deaths. Meghalaya's tally stands at 490 positive, 416 active, 70 recovered and 4 deaths. Manipur's tally has gone up to 2,015 positive, 615 active, 1,400 recovered. Mizoram's tally stands at 317 positive, 149 active, 168 recovered. Nagaland's tally stands at 1,087 positive cases, 602 active cases, 485 recovered. Tripura's tally stands at 3,331 positive, 1,397 active, 1,926 recovered, and 8 deaths. Sikkim's tally stands at 330 positive, 222 active, 108 recovered. Total number of COVID-19 cases in the Northeast stands at 33,810 positive cases, 11,244 active cases, 22,493 who have recovered, and 73 deaths as of July 22, 2020. From all of us here at NE8, stay strong and stay safe.